Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the Microsoft Teams on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. This is also the same thing for any browser that you have on your Windows. Type in here, Microsoft Teams, download. Hit enter. And you will find the first option from www.microsoft.com. Click on that. And here you have this option, download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Click on that. And as you can see, the setup file has been downloaded. Click on this folder icon. And then double click on the setup file or the installation file. Now close the remaining windows. Now let's just wait for the Microsoft Teams to be downloaded and installed into our Windows. So let's just wait in a while. And as you can see, this has been installed into our Windows. So if you're not signed in yet, you can simply sign in into your account. If you are a new user of Microsoft Teams, there is no worry for that. And then let's confirm if we have just installed it. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Teams. Click on that. Now, once you're signed in, then you can simply enjoy, you can chat from here. You can conduct a video call by clicking on the Meet. Just create a meeting link or schedule a meeting or join with a meeting ID. You also have here the calendar and your activities. So that's it. That's how you can easily install the Microsoft Teams on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.